Hello everyone, I am Batu, a PSL software specialist for American workflows. Today, we are diving deep into the marvelous APS software, a pivotal tool revolutionizing the electronics industry by enhancing the manufacturing process with unparalleled precision and efficiency. Let's get started. We begin in the heart of our system, the APS session overview. Integral to the scheduling mechanism, each session recognizable by a unique session number, such as sample 16. Orchestrates our planning scenario in the electronics industry with unmatched clarity. From the plan column, pinpointing production locations to the plant status, showing operational insights, each element is meticulously designed for the dynamic needs of the electronics industry. Moving on, let's navigate to the interface. In the electronics industry, managing multiple manufacturing sites efficiently is paramount. The plan section showcases locations like A Plan 01 is where this critical coordination begins. The explanation column reveals the intricacies between each planning scenario, a feature that electronics industry professionals will find invaluable for handling specific production runs or adjustments. The defined starting date and end date of each session underscores the importance of tight scheduling in the electronics industry, ensuring production aligns with the demand forecast and delivery schedules. With the plan status, start shift, and end shift columns, the electronics industry dynamics production window comes into view, providing insights into the operational status and active shifts. You can also see the sections like capacity calculation and non-working time empower users with the ability to fine-tune resource planning, a critical aspect for maintaining efficiency in the electronics industry. The Gantt chart lays out the scheduling with colors indicating various status of operations, a testament to our software's capability in managing the complex production schedules typical in the electronics industry. In the assign work section, each job is meticulously cataloged, reflecting the precision required in the electronics industry. From sales order now to job status, the level of detail ensures seamless tracking and execution. Resource allocation is optimized here, ensuring that every aspect of the production aligns with the high standards of the electronics industry. Next is the productively produced, semi-produced section. It showcases a detailed list of items in the production pipeline, emphasizing our commitment to timely delivery and precise manufacturing in the electronics industry. With every detail, from good idea to delivery date, this module exemplifies the sophisticated and integrated approach needed for success in the electronics industry. The material usage details section highlights our strategic planning in material allocation, essential factor in minimizing waste and optimizing production in the electronics industry. Each entry here is a step towards sustainable manufacturing, reflecting the evolving ethos of the electronics industry. Lastly, the capacity table section. It's here that the software's efficiency shines, allowing for detailed resource allocation and planning, mirroring the complexity and the dynamism of the electronics industry. The efficiency coefficient and capacity utilization features underscores our commitment to optimizing every facet of the production in the electronics industry. With the marvelous APS software, navigating the complexities of modern manufacturing in the electronics industry becomes a streamlined, efficient, and fully optimized journey. From planning to execution, this tool is your gateway to achieving excellence in the electronics industry. That wraps up our overview of the system. If you are interested in further discussions, or would like to explore its customization options, please reach out to us. Thank you.